About the counting function of the software and how the information display is displayed. First of all, there is an information display of processing progress and current file information on the main interface. The information is displayed here. If not, you can open it here. Like if you don't tick it, then it won't be displayed. The current file information has been displayed, and the processing progress is available. The meaning of the information is displayed here. First of all, the processing progress. The progress of the part is the percentage of the processing progress of the entire file. And the total time, which is how long it took from the beginning to the present, is timed all the time. The total number of parts represents how many parts have been processed in total, and the total number of processing times is how many times you click Start. The number of processing times in this picture is how many times this picture has been processed, and you can also see that a total of 2 processing times, so this picture is also processed twice, and then 4 parts are processed.
Here is a message about the current file. My total number of piercings is 11. And you can see that there are 11 outlines. So its total number of windows is 11. The number of parts is 2. The front one is 1. And the back one is the length of this part. The length of the part is from the front end of the part to the end of the part to this last paragraph. It's these 2 parts. The total length is 400. And the track length is all the tracks I cut. The total is 900. We can also see the cutting parameter limit in this processing parameter. In fact, it can be corresponded to a single opening. It is said that you can see the part cutting limit, the total processing number limit, and the processing number limit in this figure. If you set this limit, set these times, it reaches the corresponding number of times. The system will stop processing. And then at the bottom is a real-time count of the quantity. If this is set to 0, this will not work. If it is set to 10, it will work. In addition, for example, if you want to recount, you can click 0, and it will be recounted. I have just cleared it, and it will start processing when I click Start. Here are statistics on how much this file has been processed. You can see that 100% of the processing is completed here. The total number of parts is 2, the total number of processing times is 1, and the number of processing times in this picture is 1, which can correspond to the upper. The quantity shows that the processing cannot continue when the corresponding number of times is reached, and it will prompt that the cutting limit has been reached. Either modify the limited number of times or clear it and start processing again.